Hello everyone, and thanks for tuning in for another Market Outlook by Exness. My name is Andreas Semstokleous, trading content specialist here at Exness, and we will be checking on a potential trading idea for this week, the factors affecting it, and which data from the economic calendar can influence its moves. But before that, let's check on the performance of last week's idea. The idea was for a buy on pound loonie pair with a target around 1.85. This target was not reached just yet, but there is potential to reach this level in the upcoming sessions. For this week, let's focus on the pound-dollar pair for a buy trade with a potential target around 1.37, given that it manages to break above 1.35500. The price has found sufficient support on the crossing of the lower band of the Bollinger Bands and the 100-day moving average. Currently, it is testing the resistance of the 50-day moving average, and that is why we need to see it moving past 1.35500 in order for the trading idea to work. The stochastic oscillator is in neutral levels, therefore there is potential to move to either direction, while the Bollinger Bands are quite expanded, hinting that there is volatility to support big moves in the upcoming sessions. The main narrative behind this week's idea is the weakening of the US dollar, therefore supporting the buying idea of the pair for this week. The dollar index is declining, showing the weakness of the dollar, while the bond yields of the two countries are also showing more strength of the pound against the dollar. If we take a look at the 10-year bond yields, we will see that the British gilts have stronger returns than the US ones, which means that big money are in favor of the quid, further supporting the buying narrative. The important data on the economic calendar that investors need to pay attention to are the UK manufacturing and services PMI, as well as the ECB interest rate decision. So in summary, the trading idea for this week is a buy on pound-dollar pair with a potential target around 1.37, but only if it breaks above the 1.35500 level. The main factors affecting this trade are the weakening of the dollar, as well as the stronger returns on the British gilts compared to the US 10-year bond yields. The important releases that investors will be monitoring this week are the UK manufacturing and services PMI and the European Central Bank's interest rate decision on Thursday. Remember, this is not a signal, it is just an idea for a trade, it's not a guarantee of success. Always do your own research and remember to manage risks.